Hi there, Jeff here. Let's take a look at how to answer a 4-mark diagram question on Edexcel paper 1 and paper 2, the short answer sections, section 1. So here's your STEM. Small local bakeries have many of the characteristics of monopolistic competition. And the question, draw the short-run profit maximising equilibrium but of a loss-making business. So price and cost on the y-axis, output on the x-axis. Here are the way to get the 4 marks. First of all, the revenue curves, downward sloping, average revenue curve or the demand curve. Product differentiation, of course, in monopolistic competition, many firms producing similar differentiated products. So fairly elastic demand. Marginal revenue, twice the gradient, half the curve, cutting the x-axis there. So marginal lies below average. Those are your 2 revenue curves. Now we're told the business is making a loss, so that must mean the average cost shown here lies above the average revenue curve, AR. Let me put in the marginal cost there. So 2 short-run revenue curves, 2 short-run cost curves. We're asked to show a profit maximising equilibrium, which is our output Q1, where marginal revenue cuts marginal cost. Draw up to the demand curve to show the price this brownie maker can charge on average for their products, P1. But of course that price P1 is below the unit cost of producing Q1, which is there. So you've now nice clearly shown that this business is making an economic loss. And best to label rather than shade areas. I've done both. 4-mark questions, so if you just practice drawing these diagrams, get them right, understand the stem of the context, and you'll be able to get 4 marks really quickly on these type of questions.